Ready to turn your dining and entertainment expenses into cashback rewards? Let's dive into a simple and effective guide on how to apply for the Capital One Savor card. First, let's quickly understand the Savor card's perks. You get a fantastic 4% cashback on dining, entertainment, and popular streaming services, plus 2% at grocery stores, and 1% on everything else before applying. Ensure you meet the general eligibility requirements. A good to excellent credit score is usually recommended. Now, head over to the Capital One website. You can find it easily by searching Capital One credit cards on Google or by typing capitalone.com directly into your browser. Look for the credit card section to find the Savor card. Once you've found the Savor card page, click on the Apply Now button. This will take you to the application form. Take your time and read through all the terms and conditions. You'll need to provide personal information such as your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Be sure everything you enter is accurate and matches your official documents. Next, you'll be asked about your financial information, including your employment status, annual income, and monthly housing expenses. Providing accurate financial details is crucial for your application. Before submitting, carefully review all the information you've entered. Make sure there are no typos or errors. Once you're confident, click the Submit button. After submitting, you should receive a confirmation message. Capital One might approve you instantly, or they may require further review. So don't worry if it's not instant. You will usually hear back within a few days.